What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kurt Scout, and welcome to another vlog on the channel. As if you don't know, I can teach you how to be a YouTuber on a budget. Depends on what type of YouTuber, but this is mainly for PC YouTubers. If you're a console YouTuber, this is also good for you because it can teach you different basics. Okay, step number one for a PC YouTuber, you need a PC. It's easy to get one. Well, technically not, it's not, but you can get one pretty easily. All you gotta do is have a budget and you can build one, or you get a pre-built. I suggest don't go used because you don't get a warranty on those parts. Step number two, you need a decent microphone. Even a headset like this one can work. Anything as a microphone can work. You can start with a headset mic like I did on my old channel. I was under the same name. I had a microphone like this that I used for my microphone for my videos. Step number three, if you want to do a face cam, you're going to need a decent webcam. You can get like a cheap one for like $10. Okay, now step number four, you need a creative name. I know Crit Scout's not the best name, but it's what I go by. Just spend a few days, come up with a name, and you'll be able to find one. Step number six, you need a logo and banner. Easy way to make a logo and banner, you can use Photoshop, or you can use other graphic design software like Paint. You can use Paint.net, Bopia, which is a browser extension. Okay, then there's GIMP. If you guys want to see softwares, I'll leave a link in the description to certain softwares you can use to make your logo and banner. Step number seven. That is number seven. Number eight. Thumbnails are key. You want to make an appealing thumbnail for the viewers to watch. Yeah, that's all I can tell you is, now for a computer, you need a decent tower. Mid ATX will do you, or a mini ATX. Just don't go one of those slim computers that are about this big. Don't get one like that. You want about this big. That way you can put a graphics card in it. You're gonna need at least a quad-core processor, like a Intel i5 2400, like I used to use. But nowadays, I use a 10th Gen i3. Then you're gonna need at least 8 gigs of RAM. If not, get like 4, 16, 32. It's the amount of RAM you can earn. If you got anything under that, you can just stick to under software. Screen recorders, I use OBS to record my videos. Now, here comes the hard part. Editing. That's the hard part for me, is editing my videos. It's not that easy. I use Kdenlive. There's no what Kdenlive is. It's a freebie software. Like I said, I'll link all the softwares I use in the description. So all the softwares I use. That way you can know what I use for my software. And if you want to see my PC, I'll also I'll put the parts down in the description and tell you my specs. I can't tell you the exact RAM I got, but I can tell you I got at least 16 gigs. I used to work off a single channel of 8 GB stick RAM. But everybody says like that's a bad idea. That's about like, okay, I get a new computer, got this one which is 16 gigs. There you go. But if you're on a budget, you can go like a two stick gigabyte RAM. You can get like 4 gigs, 8 gigs, wherever your budget can get. Just don't go too low RAM, otherwise your software won't run. Now storage, I recommend have at least 500 gigs or more. That way you have plenty of storage for your videos, your games, you name it. Another thing too, you don't need these fancy dancy equipment. You don't need that type of equipment to get started. You just need like a budget setup. Like for me, I use the blue Snowball as a microphone, and my webcam is about 1440p camera. But I used to use a 480p camera to record my face cams. Now I got this $100 webcam. You don't need to spend that much money on a setup. You can get a webcam just cheap. Just don't go too cheap, otherwise you won't have good quality. You get what you pay for. I got this webcam on sale for about $26, and it works just fine. Now, if you want some like a green screen, I don't use a green screen. I have the sun to block out some stuff, but you don't need these fancy dance equipment to be a YouTuber. Now, if you want to go to places like VidCon, I might go there eventually. I don't know when. But anyway, I'm gonna off this video here. If you guys want any more tips, leave them in the comments down below. Hit the like, subscribe button, and you may become a YouTuber someday. As always, have a bountiful day. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!